these are the students of Kingston who were kind enough to come here and help us with our work. And I'm here to tell you more about Kingston students. And we've been so honored to bring them here. And it was our first time being in Kingston. It was such an experience. And I would like to tell you all that they're called special kids and disabled as well, but I must say they're probably more dedicated and more diligent than us. And I would definitely want them to be a part of society like the way they are. And definitely I would love other people as well. If other people love them and care for them, because that's how a society moves. And I would definitely want the way they have done work in our college because of our teachers who were kind enough to bring them here. I would definitely like that other people take initiative and take them into their colleges, give them work to do, and make them less of a burden and more of a, how should I put it, more of a constructive part of our society. And they're doing such a nice work, and I think they should be more initiative and more prompted to do such works. And I believe that people who do such things and we promote them are worth a lot of condemnation. That's it. And you should look at their work. They're doing just great. And thank you so much.
Thank you.